What's up, beauty crew? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. We are going to make some bomb French toast, you guys. So first things first, I'm going to start off with 5 eggs and give those a whisk with a little bit of cinnamon. And then I forgot to add, we are also adding in some vanilla extract before the cinnamons, just to give the egg batter some flavor for our French toasts. So for the fun part, you want to go ahead and get your Fruity Pebbles or whatever cereal you want to use. For this video, I'm using Fruity Pebbles and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And you just want to smash that up and make sure it's just a little bit finer than what it already is. Next, we are going to take the bread of our choice. This is the artisan bread. I think it's by Sara Lee, not 100% sure, but it's real thick, which is why I was like, this is perfect for French toast. Let's take the bread of your choice. Go ahead and dip that in your egg batter, and then you're going to push it into your cereal. Yeah, got that baby all covered. And then just lay that on there, and you want to kind of push down to just make sure the actual cereal gets into the little like nooks and crannies. Look at that, look at that. Next, we're taking some butter and we're just gonna do some butter on the pan. It's a little dark, but it's okay, it's okay. Just make sure you're watching your butter at all times, but because I was doing a video and different French toast, it was a little difficult, but luckily it should be easier for you, I'm hoping. It should be. Next, we're taking our French toast, going ahead and patting that again, get all the French toast crumbles all up in there. Yummy, yummy. Then we're gonna come back to this guy, kind of smoking, flip him over with the help of my lovely assistant, my boyfriend, who is also going to be my tester in this, because I've never made these before, so let's just hope they're good, you guys. Okay, so that's Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and voila, we are done. So I'm gonna pass this over to my boyfriend, let him do them up how he likes it, because he likes to put the whole 9 yards on it, and we'll see what he thinks. Let me know if you guys like this video. We're all stuck at home right now, so I was just thinking of little things that we can do here and there that would maybe be entertaining for you. But I can definitely do more of these little cooking videos. If you like them, just let me know down below. And wow, that's all I can say. That looks really good. It is a lot, definitely. This is not for the faint of heart, okay? All right, now let's see what it tastes like.
Okay. Okay. Fruity Pebbles in the winner.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So as you can see, Fruity Pebbles was the winner. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you try out at least the Fruity Pebbles French toast. Leave a comment down below if you like this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe for more. Love you guys. Bye.